Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you about the keyboard settings of your device OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. So if you want to change keyboard font in your device OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can change keyboard font in your device.